How to fix code P0497 Evaporative emission system, low purge flow. Possible causes: open or shortened circuit, blocked system hoses, faulty evap valve, mechanical problems. In my case, it turned out to be a faulty evap valve. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace it. So the purge valve lives right there. You guys can see it right now, but basically you're gonna have to remove the air filter right here and the air filter in the box. This is the replacement. This is what a purge valve is. So it's basically up like that. One hose goes up here and the other hose goes on the other side, and it has a connection here, I think. So you have 1, 2, 3, 10 bolts. Okay, here's the bracket. It goes like that. Just held by 2 12s, 1 12 here, 1 12 here. And the purge valve goes on the bottom like that. So we're gonna change it and we'll see what happens, okay? Alright, so we're back. We're about to put this thing back in. And just make sure you clean up the actual plug. Okay. Sometimes if there is oil or any debris in there, it won't give you like a really good contact, so you gotta make sure this plug is clean. New one has been installed. It's just held by 3 bolts in there. Make sure you put it back on. Alright, so it's got one hose in there, the plug in the back and the hose on the bottom. So we're gonna put back the air box.